up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, what's up? My name is Nikwa and I love doing my nails. If you're not new, thank you for returning back to my channel. So today I got a short video for you. And I've already prepped my natural nails. I used the LGN Pro hard gel on my natural nails to keep them strong, and honestly I actually cut them down from the last time I did my nails. So yeah, and now I am putting on the F Zanist. I don't know if the F is silent. Honestly, I have no idea how to pronounce it. But yes, I'm putting on this peel off base coat, and then I'm going to cure my nails for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. I did do a thin layer of this. I finally figured out how to make it work, so I was very excited about that. And yes, how's everybody been? Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoy your Valentine's. Even if you don't have a Valentine, I still hope you enjoy your Valentine's Day. If you do, I hope you still enjoy it. And for those of us who have to work, I still hope you get to enjoy your Valentine's Day, because I'm right there with you. But yes, so after I cured it for 60 seconds, I am wiping off the tacky layer, I guess, of the peel off base coat, and then I'm using my Lavender Violets gel polish, and I'm using this color. I think it was like 836, 863. I don't know. I didn't see the number, but it's like this what's the word I'm looking for? It's like a kind of like an iridescent pink. I don't know. Honestly, I'm not a pink girly, but yeah. And today we're going to just be doing my natural nails. I just wanted to do something different. I just wanted to do my natural nails. I didn't want to do extensions. I didn't want to do polygel, acrylic hard gel, none of that. I just wanted to just polish my nails. So that is what I'm doing. And honestly, I think I only did one coat of this Lavender Violets gel polish. I will, if I can find this kit, I will link it down below in my description box. I did get, honestly, all of these products from Amazon. And I do have, if you purchase the item from the link I will put down below. It is from my Amazon storefront, and I think I can get like a little bit of commission from if you purchase it using my link. It's no discount or anything. I think it's just I get commission from you using my link. I don't really know how the whole Amazon storefront thing works. No one has ever, well, I typically suck at posting links, and I don't think anyone has ever actually used the link I provide, so I really don't know how the whole Amazon storefront thing works. Oh, I did do 2 layers. Oh, and the number is 881. Sorry, y'all. I'm bouncing all over the place. I had a little bit of caffeine this morning. I'm so sorry. You get hype, Nikwa. But yes, I did do 2 coats of this gel polish, and then I cured it for 60 seconds. And yeah, like I said, I'll leave my affiliate link down below, and if you so may choose to buy this gel polish set, honestly I think it's 36 colors, and then you get a base coat, a top coat, a matte top coat. They have a glow in the dark top coat. Love the glow in the dark top coat. And a diamond top coat, so it's like a glitter top coat. So yeah, feel free to check that out. And okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'll be back. now that we're done with the gel polish, now I'm using my McCart nail art foil, and we're going to do some transfer foils on my thumbnail and my ring fingernail. Now, I don't know what I did, but that transfer foil was not having it. Like, it probably stayed on my nail for like, okay, so my ring fingernail, that one started chipping 2 days later. And I'm a person, if it's chipping, I'm picking at it. So I ended up taking it off. Like, the transfer foils didn't make it a full week on my hand at all. So if you decide to use transfer foils, oh, these transfer foils are also from McCart. I can't find them online anymore. Then again, I did buy them like forever ago. I just very rarely use transfer foils. But yeah, learn from my mistakes. Don't use a peel off base coat with transfer foil, and if you do, make sure you seal it in very, very well, because if not, it's gonna peel up like mine did. And so after I cut the foil, I'm rubbing it very aggressively. You want to make sure you rub it very well. I usually try and keep rubbing the transfer foil until I start to see like the backing peel away from the nail, and then I'm like, okay, yeah, I know I got a good bit of coverage. Unfortunately, that didn't happen with this one. For the most part, I did get good coverage, but around like the sides of the nails, it didn't stick, and I couldn't just like, once you, for some odd reason, I don't know the whole science behind transfer foils, but like once you rub it over the foil glue, like you cannot re-rub it. So I guess it like removes the tackiness. So whatever you didn't get, you're just gonna have to fill it back in like on your own. So as you can see on my ring fingernail, around like the edges and stuff, it did not transfer appropriately. So I will go back in with a second layer, and I'll just do like a little spot check around the perimeter of the nails, just so I know that way the foil has transferred. And my thumbnail did substantially better, but as you can see, it's little sparse areas there as well. So I just did another layer of the transfer foil gel. I don't know why it's called glue, because it's gel, but I did another thin layer of the transfer foil gel over the whole entire nail, because it's physically impossible to just get it in the spots that's missing it and let it still be smooth. So I'm just, like I said, putting it over the whole entire nail, curing for, I think it's 30 seconds. And then I also learned to let it cool when you're gonna do transfer foil. So after you cure it, let your hand sit for like 30-45 seconds to a minute, and then it should transfer substantially better. Of course, I done cut out times of me just sitting there, so I didn't go directly into it. But I have found out that that helps the foil transfer substantially better than you going directly out of the lamp and directly back to the nail. Usually that's how you get patches. So that's the other reason why I didn't really use transfer foils like that, because mine used to always be patchy. So that's why I just kind of gave up on it. But once I learned that little neat trick, I was like, okay, it's a me problem as to why my transfer foils aren't transferring appropriately. But yeah, just let the nail sit for like 30-45 seconds up to a minute, and then do the transfer foil, then do the actual foil. It'll make it work so much better. So I'm just spot checking my little areas and getting it better, and then I'm going to do the same thing to my ring fingernail, and I will be back. have gotten my foils remotely how I wanted it done. Now I'm using the Zanist. I don't know. Y'all, if y'all know how to pronounce this name, please put it in the description box down below. You can spell it, I guess, phonetically and help me figure out how to say it because I don't know. But I'm using their Diamond Shine top coat. Y'all, I think this is like the quickest nails that I've ever done. And what's so funny is I had no idea of what I wanted to do. I just, as per usual, I just know I just wanted to do my nails. I was very happy with the length. And yeah, I just wanted to do something different. And so yes, I am using my Diamond Shine No Wipe top coat from that company. I'll leave that link down below. Honestly, I really like this top coat. This is a really good top coat. And I'm making sure I cap my free edge. And even though I capped the free edge for the transfer foils, like I said, it's still lifted. So I don't know. Maybe it was the peel off base coat mixed with the glue. I don't know. I don't know. I just know it did not like it. So it popped off. And before I cured, well, I'm not even going to say it popped off because I pulled it off. But before I cured my nails, I was like, I want to add a little spot of blue, a little bit more pink on these blue nails. So for Christmas, one of my friends got me a diamond painting kit. And so I still had little diamonds left over. Well, the little gems or whatever. So I was like, I'm just going to use this on my nails. So that was like the perfect pink to mix with the pink of the gel polish. And I just put that on my nails and cured my nails for 60 seconds. And that is the end of this video. This is the nail set. Oh, they came out so cute. I really wish the foils would have lasted substantially longer than the like 4 days that it did last. But this is cuticle oil, and to just top off the design, it was so cute. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.